In today's video, we will discuss how to stop the flashing light on your Series X. This flashing light often indicates broken circuits or loose connections. Follow these steps to ensure there are no loose connections. First, power off your Series X and disconnect it from the power outlet. Wait a few minutes, then plug the power cable back into the power supply. Ensure that all connections are secure. Turn on your Series X and check if the flashing light is gone. Another common reason for the flashing light is overheating. If you've been using the device for a long time, it might need a break. Check for any warning messages on your screen or listen to the fan to see if the device is overheating. If it feels hot, turn it off, place it in an open, well-ventilated area, and let it cool down for approximately 2 hours. After it has cooled down, turn it back on and check if the flashing light has stopped. If the issue persists, contact an authorized technician for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.